hi there. If you decided that you have to enter in the data science with Python programming language, so to enter in the data science you should have a minimum requirement of Python so that you can easily enter in the data science. Let's discuss in this video what topic is required for a data science. So this is the minimum requirement. So first of all, you should have a clear concept of overview of the Python. So in overview, you should know that what exactly the history, who made the Python, and why should we learn Python, who is the competitor. So if the Python is strong, but why? So you should know this kind of concept. And the second one, you have to install the required software like Python, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook will help you for a data science only. And if you don't want to install the PyCharm, that's also okay, but Python and Jupyter Notebook is required. It's a necessary for a data science. I already given the link in the description. You can just follow it for a Python installation or PyCharm installation and Jupyter Notebook. Let's go to the next one. So next topic is the basics of Python, where you have the clear concept of variables, keyword, indentation, comments, and many things as well. And the next one is the data type. So data type is one of the most important topic in the Python. So these are a different data type, but list and dictionary is a very important, because in a data science we are dealing with a list and dictionary most of the time. Okay, the data type is a very important. And another one is a conditional statement and loop. So conditional statement and loop is like a pillars of every programming language, not only the Python. So if you have the clear concept of conditional statements and loop, then you can easily work on the manipulation program. You can easily make the complicated program. So this one is also very important. And the best part of the Python, that you have to just work on if else, and for a loop, while and for. We don't have a switch, we don't have a do while, we don't have a repeat. It's a very few conditional statement and loop is there. And next one is a function. So function, these are a few topics is also important, like user defined, inbuilt function, recursion function. So these are a minimum requirement for a function, but if you made some applications with the functions and all, that's also the plus point for you. But at least you should have a knowledge of the function. And the last topic is package and module, because the Python become strong because of large standard libraries. So libraries is made with the package and module. So how to make the module, if the module is available, how we are working on it, how to search the particular directory. So these kind of things you should have a clear concept. So this one is a minimum requirement to enter in the data science with Python. Okay, so but instead of this all the minimum requirement, if you have the another knowledge like file handling, exception handling, and regular expression, object oriented concept, and multi-threading, that will be the plus point for you. But the previously what we discussed, so that previous topic like overview, software installation, basics, and data type, conditional statement, and function, this is the minimum requirement. If you completed all 7 topic, I think 7, yeah, these are a 7 topic. So if you completed at least 7 topics, so you are eligible to enter in the data science. Okay, I already given the description in the link how to install the software. You can easily start it on it.